Okay, so I'm going to continue my analysis of NSE files containing market data of the listed stocks. So here, like in my previous video, I have downloaded all the files from this link, and in this video I'm going to do analysis of the files from analysis of the companies from each file, like the ones that are listed at end of each quarter. And I'm only going to focus the data which I have in the files for all companies, and not like top 100 or something. So here is the list of files which are downloaded from this location, and now I'm going to read data from each of the files. So I do some cleaning of the data for the inconsistent format. For example, in one of the files, the data is not in like market cap data is not in lakhs, rather than that it's just in unit digits, so I have converted that. Now let's have a look on how the data looks like. So again, we have symbols, and it is organized in like descending order of market cap. So Reliance is the biggest company, followed by TCS, etc. Now the first analysis I'm going to do is to check the change in market cap. What was the market cap that was at the first quarter when the company got into the exchange, and what was it in most recent quarter. So okay, so if we check that, then the top 10 company are companies with the most changes in their market cap in terms of percentage are found to be following. So, and the highest change is recorded in this company called Raj Rayan Industries Limited. So this is the plot which I see from my data, and at the bottom I see the okay, I have added Yahoo Finance market price for this company, and this seems indeed to be the case that there has been a big change in stock prices for this company. Similarly, you can check for the market cap, like the recent versus how it has been at the first quarter, or like 5 years back in 2019. Similarly, I also tried to analyze the bottom 10 companies, and it seems like this company FLFL has got the biggest drop in its market cap. So starting from 800,000 lakhs to something close to zero. And if we look at the market price on the in some other website, for example Yahoo Finance data, then this again seems to be the case. There is a big drop in the market price, and similarly to the market cap. Now you can do your own independent analysis, but this is what we see from the data. Now I'll continue analyzing this data further going forward in my coming videos. Thank you.